Hello, it's Gavin again from Lucid Computer Solutions. How you doing? So this video is meant to be an unboxing or maybe a first impressions or maybe even a review of my new monitor here at the office. Now, I didn't film the unboxing video when I received this item because I was that excited to get it up and running. I simply went ahead, unboxed it straight away and got it all set up. So I suppose at this point I should reveal what my new monitor is and the kind of what's gone on to prompt the video. So this is the box, because the actual monitor itself is huge. This is the box for my new monitor. It's a Iiyama, or is it a Iiyama? I'm not sure how you pronounce it, but it's a ProLite XUB3493WQSU. Did you get all that? And this is a massive 34-inch ultra-wide screen IPS monitor. It's, on the face of it, a really good monitor, really good value, 34-inch widescreen. It does 3440, I think, resolution. So basically, it's kind of similar to having two 24-inch monitors, but with the one huge display. It has DisplayPort, it has HDMI, and I bought this and I got it last week. It came here last Tuesday. I got it set up and working, and I had 3-4 days using it last week, just getting it set up, tweaking the settings. I was getting on really well with it. It was going to lead up to a really positive review video. However, I came to work this morning and start of a new week, Monday morning, raring to go, fire up my PC, turn on my monitor, and something's gone on with it. And I'm not actually sure what it is at this moment in time. All I can describe it as, my display has gone blurry and grainy, and the images have lost their depth, and the brightness has gone. It's really bizarre. It's I don't know what's gone on with it, but there's something clearly upset with the monitor. Something failed in it, possibly. What's really strange is when I press the menu button for the monitor itself to adjust things like the brightness and the contrast and the sharpness manually, they're all greyed out, which is what's really weird. And yeah, I've tried to help myself I've tested the monitor on a different computer with different cables. Importantly, I've tested it with no cables connected to it other than the power cable to see what happens to that menu system, to see if the brightness and stuff gets re-enabled, but it doesn't. There's something gone wrong with it. There's something, I think, probably failed in it, and I've only had it a few days, so I'm a bit disappointed. Now, I'm not going to stand here and completely slate it. I realise, if you've got 1,000 brand new cars produced, somebody will unfortunately get one with a bit of a problem. It's just a numbers thing, isn't it? And I appear to be that. The point of this video is, whilst I work in IT and computers and do an awful lot with computer hardware, it doesn't make me immune from the problems, and that's the kind of the positive aspect I wanted to put on this video for everybody else out there. I know a lot of people in general get frustrated with computers and IT and say, think that they don't get them and think that they only get problems. But hey, here I am, working in IT for an awful long time, and I still get problems too. I feel your frustration, I feel your pain. So anyway, so back to my, what should have been lovely new monitor, my 34-inch ultra-wide screen. So where I'm at with it is, I've had to raise a support request. I can't even speak now. A support request with their support. I've sent over pictures of the problem. I've sent over a description of the problem. I've sent over, obviously, my proof of purchase and things like that. The fact I've only bought it last week. And I've not heard back yet. I've left it with them. I'm hoping to hear something back by the morning. I'm happy to have a replacement. I'm happy for them to send me another one. I'm happy to give another one a go. It hasn't put me off to that extent. It did take me a little while to choose this particular screen, and I'd really like to get it going, because when it was working last week, I was impressed with it, and it was, like I said, it was building up to a really good review video for it. But that's all on hold, and let's see how good their support is. So if they're watching this, pull your finger out, help me. And hopefully I can put another video on at a later date saying the wonderful support I received when something did go wrong meant that I wasn't actually disappointed with my purchase. So let's see where that goes. But yeah, first impressions of the monitor sadly aren't great at the moment, and hopefully I will be able to do a full review video in the future, or maybe it's going to be a full review video of a different one maybe. So that's it for today really. I just wanted to point out that I'm not immune to problems, and I have a brand new monitor and I've had a problem with it, and I wanted to put it out there. So if you've, I say enjoyed this video, you probably haven't, because it's a little bit of a complaint video, isn't it? But if it's been helpful, perhaps you've got the same problem. There we go. If you've got the same problem, please do smash the like button for me. It really helps grow our channel, really helps spread the word about us. Please do comment on the video. In particular, please comment if you've got a suggestion for me. Please feel free to do that. I engage with everybody and get back to everybody as soon as I can. Please do subscribe to our channel. We're releasing new content all the time, normally a lot better than this. And please do feel free to use the links below to connect with me on LinkedIn, Twitter and Instagram. So that's me, Gavin from Lucid Computer Solutions, with a broken monitor. Speak again soon. Bye-bye.